What is going on, fellow web developers? My name is Tyler Potts, and in today's video we are going to be talking about where I've been, what I've done, and what's coming up. And there's also an announcement towards the later in the video on a new weekly challenge we're going to be bringing out in the Discord server, and I'll explain that later. So let's start off with where I've been. So I've been sick recently, I haven't been feeling well, so I've took a couple of weeks off. I haven't been able to record either, I haven't been able to actually physically speak, so I had some issues. And now we're back to normal and we're feeling a lot better. So more videos are coming. Let me know what videos you want to see down below. We're also going to be doing a lot more head cannon shots, so more of me explaining things. We're going to be doing more, hopefully some more explaining, more learning, a lot more teaching you guys how you can get a job in web and stuff like that. So look out for those videos as well. Another thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be, well, I've basically, let's talk about this other thing. I've built a whole new website. So what I've been doing I've been updating Bananatos. So if you have not downloaded Bananatos and you have an Android phone, check out the link in the description. It's a game I made a few years ago, and we keep updating it here and there, and it's starting to get better. We've hired on new help from the Discord server, now helping out with this game as well, which is pretty awesome. So definitely take a look at that game. It's down below. Shameless plug right there. We've also been working on a new video game. It's going to be a game based on rockets flying through space, and I'll explain that later. Well, actually, you know, I'm going to leave that as a mystery. That's going to be a later video. Another thing we've been doing is I've redesigned my website in a Japanese, well, more of a Japanese themed or inspired. I'm very into my Japanese culture. I like my anime, hence all my anime merch around me. And I just generally like Japanese culture. So my website kind of has a bit of Japanese writing on it and stuff like that. So let me just show you what that looks like right now. So here you go. It's still the same similar website with all the same wording. It's just changed up the style a little bit, and it's also going to change. There's going to be a blog coming to the website in a couple of weeks where I will basically create a blog version of my videos and also add additional blogs on how you can do things and what else there is you can do. We also have this weekly challenge, which I'll explain in a minute. So you can head over to tylerpotts.co.uk to actually see this website now. And as you can see here, we just have the simple thing, a bit of Japanese text here, just says Nihon Tokyo, Japan Tokyo, sorry, Tokyo Japan. And let's scroll down here. You got the simple who I am, why does this at the bottom of my website before. You can see my different links here. We've got the anime channel, the coding YouTube channel, and also my Discord server. Again, don't forget to join Discord server. Something good's coming there soon. Little portfolio of a couple of websites I've done in the past. I'm going to build a full-on portfolio page. I'm not massive on doing freelance work anymore. I don't do it that often. I only do it for if it's good money and a good project. I won't do it otherwise. It needs to be something that stands out. Hence why I don't do it anymore. But these are some of the websites I've done before. So that's currently on the website. We have what I do, web development, business solution, apps, and games. So just some things there. And obviously we've also plugged in the YouTube channel where we can, because YouTube channel is a big part of my teaching everyone else how to be able to code. And then just simple contact me. I'm not doing a form. I built this all in Vue.js. It's built with Vue 3 using Feet, and it's so much faster than it normally is. And so I didn't want to add a backend to it. I wanted it to be a static website, and my blog will also be static. It'll be using markdown files, which I pull in from a source, and then to update that, I update GitHub, which will then push to my server these new files, which will, so I could probably do a video on that if that's what you wanted. And then let's talk about the weekly challenge. So on Discord, it's died down a bit. We're trying to boost it up. We're trying to get you guys more involved in Discord. If we need help channels, we're trying to get some more people involved and helping each other out as well. Obviously, I can't always be there to help you out, so if I miss your messages, I apologize. There is Non-Suspicious and Vampire, who are two of my top moderators, who are always there helping people out. There's also a few community members who are there helping out, which are absolute gems. So thank you guys for that. And we're basically, so yeah, we're trying to spice it. We're trying to make things. So we're going to be giving away, courtesy of Non-Suspicious for getting and sourcing this product, some headphones in a weekly challenge. So let's just have a look at this weekly challenge page. By the way, I did not build any of this. This was all down to Non-Suspicious and Vampire.js. Another shout out for them. And as you can see here, they've gave it a name and everything. Win the Pots. The Pots is the points you gather from doing these weekly challenges. So here you go, a weekly dev challenge brought to you by the Coding Wizard Academy, which is our Discord server name. to help you level up your skills. So we're going to be doing some challenges for you guys to help build your skills and earn points. And if you earn enough points, you can win prizes, and more than just prizes. You can win Discord Nitro. We'll do some more, and in the future I might even throw in some merch if we ever decide to create some cool developer merch, some cool developer swag. You let me know what you want and we'll see. So we have about the challenge. During the challenge, you will have to collect points, aka pots. After 4 weeks, the person who has the most pots wins the grand prize. And you can see we have week 1, but we'll go into how the weeks are going to work later on. How to join? You just got to jump in the Discord server. There will basically be a chat. There's the refuse submissions channel. So let me just bring this over real quick. One second. Boop. So here you go. We've got this, and you've got the refuse submissions page here. So you can find that under community, and you can submit your project. So once you create your project, you can submit here by just going /submit. Submit review URL. You got to give it a URL. So https tylerpots.co.uk, and then we can also go add a note, and then what we need to do is #WinThePots or something along those lines, so we know this is a submission for the weekly challenge and not for a website review. And there you go. You'll hit enter, and there you go. You'll see, bam, that's in there. The note Win the Pots is in there, so we know that is the challenge for you, and we'll review it. You'll get points based on a system. Let me just switch this over there. There we go. So let me just go back down. It's through here, week 1. So you can see here, these are the points. So there's 2 different types of challenges we're going to release. We're going to do web dev tasks and game dev tasks. Actually, no, I make games and I like to build websites as well. So we're going to be doing both at once. So you can do both if you want, or you can do one or the other if you prefer web dev or game dev. So here you can see, make the first week's task is make an extraordinary unique landing page, and you get 3 pots for accuracy, 3 pots for responsiveness, and 3 pots for completing 3 main requirements. And the requirements on the left here, you also get 1 pot for the most unique design. So only 1 person can get the extra points for being the most unique, and that is the same thing for the game dev. It's Flappy Square. So they've come up with the, if you've ever played Flappy Bird, it was such a big game back in like 2012, maybe 2013, somewhere along those lines, and it was a massive game. Everyone was playing it. So we're making a quick, simple game so you can create it like that, but you have to alter it to make it your own game. And then the grand prize, which is the earphones. They're these earphone 3 mini true wireless earbuds. They're pretty cool, they look pretty awesome, and I also have a pair. I haven't got them upstairs, so I'll show you. I have a pair of my own style, which is similar to these. They're not the same, but they are pretty similar, they are pretty good. To join, Discord, and there's also a link here to the Discord here. But yeah, you can come to this website and actually have a look. There'll be 2 tasks, one for Edo, one for game developers. After I explain, you can use any framework or any game engine you want. That's totally down to you. So there you go. So that's the week 1 challenge, and that's what the weekly challenge is all about. You can go in there and do that. There's also one more thing I actually want to show you. One second, let me just come here. Bring this back in here. Oh, I lost it. Where's Discord gone? There we go. And you can also go to bot commands, and you can do /top pots, and this is going to show you the leaderboard for this week. You can see there's just a couple of dummy ones in here for now, but these will be removed when we actually start week 1. So week 1 is starting from today. When this video goes live on the Monday, the week 1 challenge started. However, because it is the first week and we don't expect many people to figure this out to start with, we will let this first challenge go on for 2 weeks. So this one will end on, I need to do the dates real quick, so it will end on the 3rd, or on the Sunday, the 4th of September. What's the next month? September. Yep, definitely know my months. So we'll be doing that on the 4th of September, which is going to be where the submission. So we're going to let this one go on for 2 weeks, just because we don't expect everyone to get involved straight away until they see everything's going on, so people have a chance to get involved, and that gives you an extra week to do it. And then we'll start week 2 from obviously there, then week 3, so forth each week. And that's run by Vampire and Non-Suspicious. If you have any questions, drop them a message, or even drop me a message. I'll try and answer it best I can. But Non-Suspicious and Vampire will definitely help you out if you need any help. So feel free to just give them a shout in the Discord channel. So guys, that is basically where we're at right now with what's been going on, what's going on. So what are we going to be doing in the future? I want to be doing more Discord related stuff, so a lot more, maybe some events on the Discord channel. We're also going to be doing a lot more YouTube stuff, maybe some more live streams. We haven't done those in a while just because, again, I've been sick, haven't had enough time, and there's a lot of other factors involved. But we're going to be trying to push that content. We're also doing more TikTok and anime content on the anime side channel, which you guys, if you don't know, we have a second channel. I'll link it down below if I remember. If I don't, I apologize. It's called Muddy Wolf. You can just probably search it. It'll come up somewhere. It'll have a pink logo with a white paw print, or maybe it won't. I don't remember what it looks like anymore. But yeah, it's pretty good. Check it out. I'll link it down below. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. That's what we're working on. So we're going to be doing more YouTube videos, more tutorials. Let me know what you want down below, what you want to see. And we're going to be doing more interactive stuff on the Discord. So don't forget to join the Discord server down below and get involved with the community. Feel free to just chat, just have depth conversation. Tell us what you're working on. Tell us what you're doing. How's your day been? Feel free. That stuff's all allowed in my Discord server. So guys, feel free to join down below. But for now, guys, that's going to be it for this announcement video. Don't forget to join the Win the Pots challenge, where we're excited to see you all get involved, and we'll probably get involved ourselves as well. We won't take any points, but we'll get involved making the challenges as well, just to see for the fun of it, guys. So thank you very much for joining with this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. I just broke my screen right at the end there. Oh, there we go. Fixed. Is that fixed? That'll break you guys. Little blooper for you there. Anyway, bye.